Okay, so now we are going to actually understand how we can use flatten transformation and why it is used in Apache Beam, right? Or we can say why it is used in different P collections or pipelines. So if you're a new user, then you need to go to your terminal and just type pip install Apache Beam for GCP. Then after doing this, you need to actually import Apache Beam as Beam. After that, we are going to actually run the pipeline. And before doing that, we are actually defining or creating a function, naming it as run pipeline. And with this line, we are actually creating a pipeline and storing it in value letter P, or we can say variable P. After this, we are actually creating two P collections here, right? The first P collection is the uh, collection which actually starts with letter A, and the second P collection is the collection which actually starts with collection B. So the first P collection is this, and the second P collection is this, right? After doing this, what we are going to do is we are actually going to use flatten transformation, right? So we have used beam.flatten, and what flatten transformation will do is like it will actually combine the two P collections according to the need. Let's run this. Okay, so you can see that after running this, right, it is actually making the 2P collections combined, or it is converting the 2P collections into a single P collection where the first P collection is together and the second P collection is grouped together, right? I hope you understand why flatten is used and what importance it has in creating of pipelines and for the P transformations, right?